guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing April's Vettsy box. So yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. I'm just taking out all the padding and stuff that they put in. So, first things first, I see is a brush. Now, I believe this is like a petal brush for like doing flowers and things, I believe. I may have to double check that. That's what I think. Then we have another mould. I likes me some moulds. I've got a couple now. I'm going to have to start experimenting with them because I've never actually used them. But this one has got cute little flowers, butterflies and some teeny tiny unicorns. Nice. So the next thing I see is this thing, which I don't know what it is. It's a cute little, well, I suppose it's a dusting brush, but I would more so say like a makeup brush. But yeah, super nice in a dusty pink. Although once you get the lid off, I don't know how you're going to get it back on, because it's like it doesn't want to go back in. Ah, there we go. Like that, it comes out, so it makes it go small again. Boop, 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 boop. And you can get the lid on. So a cute little brush. Now next I see is these. Oh, why did we suddenly get stuck there? Come on. Which are, I would say, like glitters, because they are a little bit glittery, as you can see, but like a mix between glitters and sequins. And we got some nice pastel-y colours. The next thing I see in here are some broken up seashells. So yeah, there's different kinds, from like minute crushed up to much bigger pieces. Then the next thing I see are a pair of cuticle nippers. Oh, they're little and cute, they're tiny. So yeah, nice little cute pair of cuticle clippers. Then we have got some iridescent flower stickers. Ooh, and then we've got some eyes, butterflies, and like these here are the evil eye, for, you know, warding off evil eye. So super nice. And then for gel polishes, we have got these two solid gel polishes and whatever is in this box. Right there, I've got to see what my puppy is up to. Bear! Stop. Ooh, we've got maroon. If I can actually open it, that would be helpful. So we go, a nice dark red, sort of see on the bottle there. I will swatch these, so don't worry guys. Then we have Go Lightly in the solid gel polish. Which is this super nice skin tone. And then the last one we've got is this called So Lovely. If my voice sort of periodically went a bit quiet, then it's because I'm looking over to see if this is a colour I've already got. Because if it's a colour I've already got, I won't bother, you know, opening it. But I haven't been getting the Vettsy boxes that long, so, you know, I don't have many of their stuffs, to be fair. Oh, look at that, super fine, glittery, nudie pink. Super nice. So yeah, I'm just going to go and swatch these, and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, and I am back from my swatches. These were the 3 colours we got. So we are going to go in with this one here first, which is Go Lightly, which is a beautiful nude colour. All of these, by the way, are 1 comb. Then we're going to go in with So Lovely, which I really like. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it kind of has like a bit of an aurora theme to it, where in certain lights it looks more pink rather than silver. Super pretty. And then this one, which is a maroon, is this colour, which I just think is absolutely stunning. It is like a wine red. This is just 1 coat, but it can also be used as like a jelly, because you can see the, you know, it is really nice. I actually really like this one. So some super nice colours. I think this one is most definitely my favourite. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.